Gorgeous day to be in Juneau. Here we go.
Hey, what's up guys? Captain Zach here. It is the 2021 Salmon Derby. Golden North Salmon Derby here in Juneau. We are pedal to the metal. We just got off the dock. Terrible conditions today. So we've got literally a small craft advisory, pouring rain and fog. So we're gonna fight our way to the salmon grounds, see if we can get out there and get lucky. We know there's some fish in the area, so we are going to give it our best. Hopefully we'll have some good action for you. Hey guys, it just occurs to me, I'm using the word scholarship fish. You might have heard me say, hey, here's a nice scholarship fish. Just to put some context into that, the Juneau Salmon Derby actually donates all of the proceeds from the fish that are caught to a scholarship fund. So the fish that are caught here, they get sold into the market and then lots of money is left over. And then that's actually donated right into a scholarship fund that provides scholarships for college for well-deserving Alaskans. So it's often some local Juneau students or others in Southeast Alaska who get these awesome scholarships because of the fun fishing that happens out here. Well, the rods are down and it is just lovely conditions out here. Just awesome. I got a fish on. Fish on? Yeah. You got a fish on. Grab your fish. Double.
Can you sell that?
I'll get mine.
That's a pink. You got any net?
Just a pink. One pink salmon.
Alright, pink too. I should have been one in that. Yeah, they're going. Holding it up, it's kind of casual. Up towards it. Oh no. You need up. Up. Nice. What do we got?
Well, 3 minutes into the Derby, first double. 2 pink salmon. Woo! Good start. You're on, you're on. Got it? Oh well. Oh, I didn't notice it. So the fish is right
That's
here.
actually my vision of what I thought you were
The fish
doing.
is up here,
And I
then I could put it back there.
And I just bring it into
No,
the
the
net.
next thing you need to do is basically slack it. Let the fish drift back into the net.
Oh,
Instead of like, and that's right
it.
behind it, and you're holding it in
Up
front
and
of
go
it.
back.
You're like fighting it in front of the net, and the
Just
net's
like
right
going
behind
like
it. Yeah. Right. Usually, the most seamless way to do it is like the fish is coming up, slow
Down,
down.
up.
Fish on.
Oh, God.
Fish off. Oh, there you go. Fish on. We're as far as I want to go, basically.
Okay.
Anyway. Fish on. Fish on.
Good size.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's what we're talking about. First coho of the Derby. Looks like he's about 11 pounds. Nice fish. Fish on.
Yeah.
He didn't even get it all the way down in a bit.
looking over. I'm like, yeah, like, oh, that's like, it was all the way down. Oh, God, I lost him. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fish on. Red boat, the red boat. Okay, we'll take it. Oh, yeah. Works. Hey man, into the fire. It works. Alright. Coho, yeah? Coho! Woo! Oh, check that hook set out. In the top and the bottom lip. He wasn't coming out. A touch less gear. Down? Because he's hooked on both hooks, yeah. I saw a tail come up, so I think he's hooked on both hooks. Okay. Hey, coho! Here we go! Alright. Oh, another gorgeous coho. Nice scholarship fish. Just beautiful conditions out here today. Just an awesome coho. Okay, scales all over the color. That's a good thing. That last one was about 10.2. Fish on.
Dark looking pink salmon.
Sea asparagus, baby. Right off the bat, as soon as we hit the surface. Oh. I want you to watch that replay later.
Let the record state that at 11:17, that coho was lost. Fish on. Mine's coming up. Mine's coming up quick. Okay. You gonna get yours? No problem. Mine's probably. Alright, you handle yours. Yeah, mine. I got two. I have a little time. salmon double. There you go.
Still beef jerky. No feeder game. He picked the right moment. He's going back. Throw up, buddy. Ow.
Salmon, he's heading back. Ooh. Just get your drag going.
What do you think?
I mean, it's hard to say because no two are the same.
Sure.
But yeah, if one is at the boat,
I'm gonna defer to you, so like whatever you say.
if one's at the boat or almost at the boat,
Yep.
you know, you try to land that one. So, and sometimes it can be the case that I'll have a fish, a coho on, and I'll put it in the holder so that I can come help land this one. So, like sometimes it doesn't work that way where you can just sort of
Set it down.
slow roll.
But sometimes
they both get there together, and like I said a couple weeks ago, me and Mary had one of those, and I put the same two coho in the same net. You're on. It's gonna be right here, actually. I'm just gonna get the net.
Yeah, go for it. Oh. Military food.
Nope, here's another. Got it. Get off the truck. Up. Yep.
All right, derby fish caught inside of the terminal area. Here. Oh, I think so. Coming up?
Yeah, there's one on there.
Pretty close, right? Oh, that's a guy. That's a... Yeah.
Pink salmon.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna lift that.
Yeah, just not right in the engine, but
Yeah, not in the engine.
yeah, bring them up around.
Alright, I'll pull it back and then you go for it. Up and in. Humpy. Pretty fish.
Sweet. Pink salmon.
Alright.
Oh, you're up.
Thank you, little pink. Thank you, little pink.
Pink salmon.
Woo!
He's heading back. Oh, you're on. Pink salmon frenzy. And ready for it.
Now he's getting lazy. Now he's getting lazy.
Oh, that was close.
Hey, all right.
Oh, up and over.
Gotcha, buddy.
Yes.
Hey, yeah. Boom.
We'll take that.
Oh,
Beautiful coho.
he didn't use
Woo!
That's Alaska's bounty right there. Woo! One switch.
No, you're on. You're on. You're on. Just look at it first, just before you break it.
Okay, we pumping a lot. You want to turn them like there? All right. Hold the pick. Going back. Good fight.
Any under 16. Oh, you. Yep. Oh, yeah, he's on. I guess oh, you're good. When it matters, I'll pull him out. Well, hey guys, we're getting ready to pull the gear. End of day one. It was a lot of fun, but some tough weather, so we had to fight some really tough seas and tough wind. Caught some great fish though, so we kept 5 cohos and a king. We caught another king, and then we had just a mess of pink salmon. So that rod was bending all day. Really good stuff. Can't wait to get back out here tomorrow morning.